Hey, I'm Josh with Wooden Essentials. Today, I'm going to show you how I made a Lazy Susan turntable. Still wanting to use up my scrap wood pile, so I had a lot of scrap wood that I'm wanting to use. I had some aspen and alder wood. I've never even heard of aspen wood, but it's a softer hardwood, so I might as well use it. For this build, you don't have to use hardwood. It's just what I had. So if you wanted to use like a pine and just cut a circle, you can do that too. Here I made my own circle jig, just a nail dead center. I hope it's dead center, and then the hooks to the router. So all I got to do is just rotate it and make the multiple passes. I don't have the battery in, so I'm trying to play it safe. So I'm going to take my time with this. So I'm going to go real slow, going around, make a couple passes. It's going to create a big mess, but lower it down each time a little bit until it's all cut. I got everything sanded down to 220. Now what I'm going to do is take a spray bottle with water, spray on top of it. That'll help raise the grain. When that dries, I'm going to sand it down again. After that, I'm going to put butcher block oil on it and then add the hardware to it tomorrow. Using regular cutting board oil. I know you can make this stuff by yourself. I haven't done it yet. Alright, everything's all dry now. So all I gotta do now is attach the hardware. So essentially, this will go here center, and then I'm gonna have another board here. That way when it sits on the ground, it'll be up a little bit. And off camera, I just cut a board big enough to fit here. I'm gonna do a couple more trimming here, but I wanna have it like that, so that way, if I can get it to stay, so that way all I gotta do, when I trim this flush, I'll be able to have the holes so I can mount it to this. And for this, I'm just using 3/4 inch long screws.